Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn our next digraph, that is E sound. So let us read some words related to E sound. B, E, B. S, E, C. S, E, D, seed. N, E, D, need. E, T, feet. D, E, P, deep. H, E, L, heel. J, E, P, jeep. P, E, P, peep. K, E, P, keep. M, E, T, meet. B, E, N, bean. F, R, E, free. S, L, E, P, sleep. B, L, E, D, bleed. G, R, E, T, greet. S, T, E, P, steep. F, R, E, free. T, off, E, toffee. R, E, L, reel. K, O, F, E, coffee. S, K, R, E, N, screen. E, N, D, E, D, indeed. If you like my video, then like and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.